ONEplus had held a global launch event to proclaim the arrival of the ONEplus 6 smartphone. To date, the Chinese manufacturer has announced its latest flagship phone in the home country. In China, the handset has been introduced with a starting price of $503. The company has introduced the ONEplus 6 Avengers Edition with a price tag of $660. The Chinese ONEplus 6 sports the same design and specs as its global edition. It features notch-enabled, optic-AMOLED display of 6.28 inches. The ONEplus 6 boasts a premium appeal, as it features glass panels on the front and rear sides, with an aluminum frame in between. It is the first ONEplus to come with water-resistant body. However, the company did not mention the IP rating of the phone at its launch event. The Avengers Limited Edition ONEplus 6 in Silk White 8GB plus 128GB will be available for purchase from June 5th through official ONEplus site.